Welcome to this series of videos in which we will explore GDNT. And in this video, we will learn what is GDNT, who uses GDNT, scope and benefits of using GDNT. So let's begin. In simple words, we can say that GDNT is used to define a geometry of mechanical part using symbols. It is an international language. So what is the meaning of GDNT? It's actually geometric dimensioning and tolerances. But what is geometric dimensioning? It is actually characteristics of size like length, height, width, angle, location. So these are all geometric dimensioning of a mechanical part. Then what is actually tolerances? Basically, tolerances are allowable variations in size. We will explore these terms in depth in our upcoming tutorials. So we can say that GD&T is a system that uses standard symbols to indicate tolerances that are based on features geometry. Now let's discuss the scope of GD&T. GD&T is used in manufacturing industries like aerospace, automotive, engineering sectors where mechanical parts are being manufactured. So what actually the benefit of using this GD&T? It provides uniformity in drawing, better designs, improved design communication, and improved design accuracy. Whenever a mechanical design engineer who is working independently or who is working in some organization or any manufacturing industry designs some mechanical part, he will give that part to the technician who is actually going to make that part on some machine such as lathe machine, milling machine, or any other machine. So if the design engineer uses GD&T properly, there will be very less chance of design failure or manufacturing failure or faults in actual part. And whenever the inspection team will inspect that mechanical part, there will be very less chances of that mechanical part failure or rejection. So that's how GD&T plays an important role in cost effectiveness and in time management as well. So that's how GD&T plays a crucial and important role in manufacturing industries while making these or designing these mechanical parts. In our next video, we will learn some basics, standards, and 14 geometric symbols based on geometric control. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.